Unlocking the sweet secrets of terms of endearment. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to dive into the charming world of terms of endearment. These are the special words that we use to show affection and a sense of closeness to others. Whether you're learning English for personal growth, to better understand English media, or to warm up your conversations with English speakers, understanding these phrases is key. So, let's explore these affectionate expressions together. Terms of endearment are phrases or words used to express affection and love. They're the sugar in our tea of daily conversation, sweetening our interactions and creating bonds with others. They can be used for family, friends, romantic partners, and even pets. Common examples include dear, honey, and sweetheart. In this section, we'll look at a variety of terms of endearment, what they mean, and how you can use them in your daily English conversation. Honey, sweetie, and dear. Honey isn't just a sweet treat made by bees. It's also a term of love that's as sweet as it sounds. Sweetie is a similar term, often used for someone who is sweet in their actions or appearance. Dear has an air of old-fashioned charm and is universally acceptable, conveying deep affection. Babe and baby. Babe and baby might seem like they're for infants, but they're also used between couples and close friends, representing a special intimacy or endearing affection. Unique and quirky nicknames. Custom nicknames also serve as terms of endearment. A nickname like Pumpkin or Peach can add a personal touch and show a unique bond between people. Why do we use these particular words to show affection? Terms of endearment have deep roots in every culture, and in English, they reflect a history of intimacy and familiarity. They serve as a social glue, easing tension and showing care and closeness in relationships. It's important to know when it's appropriate to use these expressions. They are perfect for casual conversations with loved ones, in romantic settings, or when consoling someone. However, be cautious in professional or formal contexts, as overuse or inappropriate use can seem unprofessional or overly familiar. We hope this guide to terms of endearment has added some sweetness to your language learning journey. These expressions are a delightful part of English and can help you convey warmth and familiarity in your relationships. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using these terms just like a native speaker. Thank you for watching, and take care, my dear viewers. Remember, terms of endearment are the heart's true language, so use them well and watch your conversations bloom with affection. Until next time, stay sweet and keep learning.